Okay, YouTubers, we are working on this hisense window air conditioner. These two right here, we're trying to test these, but we can't get one of the plugs to come in because look, let me show you. See this little plug right here? See? It does not fit, and it requires 220 volts, or I mean not 220, 230 volts to power this thing. But oh well. Anyways, it's on cool. When I turned it on, it was on eco. So anyways, while we wait for this to kick on, I'm gonna show you this little fella right here. But anyways, this is a hisense window air conditioner. We have your fresh air intake vent. Pull this out like that. If you want fresh air, if you close, it's recycled air. Hisense logo. We have closed, fresh air. We have your sleep timer. That's your fan speed. It's set low, medium, and high. It does not include automatic. We have your temperature down arrow button, your temperature up arrow button. We have your mode button, which you can cycle between different modes. Got fan, dry, cool, eco, meaning economy, when the fan shuts off. Once it gets into its desired temperature. Which it also has built-in heat too. So I think it's a heat pump. Heat pump, or the just your I don't see. Oh, compressor just kicked on. So oh well. It's not a heat pump. It's just your typical electric strip heat. And of course, here's your power on/off button. And the filter access is right here. You just pull this little tab right here. Just take the other tab. See this little tabs right here to pull out. And it just filter right here. Yeah, they do. You just take it out like that, wash it off, some warm water with soap, and once you clean it out, you put it back and just push in, work your way around like that, locks into place. And anyways, that one just kicked on, so since it's 2 minutes till closing, but oh well. This one has some problem, but it does work. But oh, here's your data sheet. Here's your motor number, 14,000 BTU. It pulls out 11.2 amps, 115 volts, 60 hertz. Your rated current is 12.8 amps. If y'all can see that. If you want to pause the video, you can. I don't see the manufacturing date on this bad boy. It has a GMCC rotary compressor, and this one has a higher rotary compressor. All right. Yeah, it's just ambient air, so probably the Freon got leaked out. But oh well, it does work, but it just needs some maintenance. Here's the outside fan motor. Sees his motor for room air conditioner. compressor sounds pretty good, but just ambient air. Here's the back of the unit. Sensor coils, airflow, which is really good. You can tell it's brand new. Of course, here's your compressor, and can't remember what the manufacturer of that family. It is Green Intelligent Electrical Equipment. It has a Green Intelligence fan motor. When you turn on that unit, that fan motor sounds pretty awesome, huh? Yep. Just ambient air, so no cold, nothing hot on the back. Alright, shut the compressor off. This is closing very soon, so we have to shut it off. So. I can hear that freon hissing a little bit. You know.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
That's good enough, dude.
Alright.
Yeah. Upload that.
Yep. Nice unit. What you think about it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Y'all thinking about the blaster too?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yep. Alright, that's it, guys.